Hello everyone, welcome to EagleEyeFX. So guys, I just want to share with you an update of volatility to 50. So this is where we started. This is the first screenshot that I took, and you can see it also from my previous video. So we are waiting for, we had this QM pattern here on the 1 hour time frame. So we are waiting for this market to tap this level. Then we start looking for selling opportunities, and you can see how it did actually tapped here and it started moving to the downside. And also here, if you remember, I said there was a what? There was a hidden bearish divergence. I want to show you guys how this one has played out now.
A few hours later.
So look at it. This is the volatility 250 1S. If you look at it from the 1 hour time frame, you can see that it really did play out. What did it play out massively? So I exited somewhere around here, but you can see that it really continued moving to the downside. So this is actually what we're talking about when we talk about the power of what? The power of QM patterns. Now remember also guys, I was observing a volatility 100. So this is a volatility 100 screenshot. You can see from the 2 hour time frame. So we were actually on this descending structure, and I was waiting for the market to come and tap this level. Then I can look for selling opportunities. You can see here that we had our QM pattern, and this is the result. Look at this guys. This is the result of the volatility 100. So you can see that it came all the way, tapped this level. Then though I got in a bit late, but you can see that it actually moved to the downside. And you can see also here, in as much as we had our QM pattern, you can see here that we had a hidden bearish divergence. That is when the market is giving us lower highs, and the awesome oscillator is giving us what? Is giving us higher highs. And also you can see this level here, while the market was approaching this level over here, it also gave us a what? It gave us a regular bearish divergence. So you can see that was also a double confirmation. So we had our QM pattern, we had our hidden divergence, and we also had our regular divergence, and that is how I was able to take this trade. So you can see here currently, you can see that our account is now at $100. This might actually take us out. I've already secured. You can see that I was supposed to enter somewhere around here, but I was a bit late. But though I entered one position, and once it moved, I adjust my stop loss to break even, and I'm just holding it. You can see guys, look at this. Our account is now at what? Is at $100 from just $20, I think, from yesterday. Of course, the target is this level over here. So the target is this level over here. So I'm thinking, let me just close this so that now we can start from there. So you can see that now currently, look at this guys, our account that was $20, we are now at $100. So we've actually been able to multiply this account 5 times within just 2 days. So that is what we're talking about when we talk about the power of QM pattern. So you need to be able to understand the QM pattern, how it works and everything. So guys, you can see from this that it's not about the capital or how much capital you have. It's about the skill, right? I've literally shown you how I've been able to grow just a small account of $20 to $100 within just 2 days. I've been able to multiply it 5 times. So you can see that the problem is not the capital or how much money you have. The problem is the skill. With the right skill, you see that you can be able to multiply any account. If you can be able to grow a small account, you can also be able to do what? To grow a big account. So what you need actually is the skill. So guys, I have a free Telegram channel where you can follow me. Also, if you need an in-depth explanation, that means maybe you want to join my student community, you can also reach me out on Telegram, whereby once you're able to enroll into the student community, you get ongoing assistance, you get videos on to help you to be able to understand the QM patterns, mastering the QM patterns, using the awesome oscillator, understanding the various divergences. We have the regular divergence and hidden divergence. All this information you can be able to access. Remember guys, and don't forget this, what you need is the skill. Don't think about the capital for now, think about the skill, because with the right skill you can be able to grow your account. So thank you so much guys. If you found this video to be useful, remember to follow us, remember to like, remember to subscribe to our channel, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also you can follow us on TikTok. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you on the next episode.